Hello. Have you heard that antibiotics people used in the past are not effective anymore? Well, it is called antibiotics resistance, and it occurs naturally in our bodies when bacteria takes contact with antibiotics and develop resistant characteristics. And these characteristics are transferred to other bacteria. So with the time, we have to develop new and stronger antibiotics to fight against these evolved superbugs. And as you can see, it can be converted into a cycle. Well, now imagine it is not happening in our bodies, but in rivers or oceans, due to the accumulation of these compounds, because humans can't process all the antibiotics that are taken, and subsequently they are excreted via urine or feces to the environment, and eventually to water. Well, the same occurs in animals, especially in animal production industry. Did you know that antibiotics are used for faster weight gaining in swine or poultry? Well, probably you knew about it, but what you don't know are the numbers behind it. And I can tell you that only in Canada in 2014, around 1.5 million kilograms of antibiotics were used in the animal industry. And from this amount, 80% was not processed or metabolized by animals. So it means that 1.2 million of kilograms of antibiotics were released to the environment. It means that we provided a suitable media for bacteria to develop these superbugs characteristics. But now comes the big question. How can we solve this problem? And the first and logical answer would be by reducing or prohibiting the use of antibiotics in the animal industry. However, it is not economically viable at this stage. So the second answer is by removing these compounds before they take contact with land. So my research proposed using adsorption in order to remove these compounds from manure. Adsorption is a simple technique that uses simple equipment and cheap materials that were added to the solution, and antibiotics are attached on the surface of these materials. Imagine a magnet attracting iron nails. So that's the behavior that the antibiotics have on the surface of these materials. So at the end of the process, we have manure free of antibiotics. And what about our results? Well, in the best cases, 100% removal of the target compound was achieved. But more importantly, environmental conditions, like the cold temperatures in Saskatchewan, did not affect significantly the efficiency of this process. In conclusion, we provided a very simple solution for a severe society problem, not only a Canadian, but a global concern. Thank you.